Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage data usage on your My Phone. First, let's find out how much data you're currently using. You can easily check your mobile data consumption by navigating to your phone settings. From there, tap on Connection and Sharing, then select Data Usage. This will provide a clear overview of your total data use and show how much each individual application has consumed over a chosen period. To avoid exceeding your data plan, setting limits is crucial. Within the Security app, navigate to Data Usage and then Data Plan. Here, you can establish a monthly or daily data limit, such as 10 gigabytes. You can also set a warning level, perhaps at 80% of your limit, and choose whether to simply warn you or automatically disable mobile data when reached. Don't forget to set your monthly reset date. Many apps consume data even when you're not actively using them. To gain more control, go to Settings, then Apps, and Manage Apps. Select an application, and you'll find options to restrict its mobile data usage, including background data. This is a fantastic way to save precious megabytes and even extend your phone's battery life by preventing unnecessary background activity. Finally, activate your phone's built-in data saver feature for a comprehensive approach to reducing consumption. This mode automatically restricts background data for many applications, helping you conserve megabytes. For critical apps that need constant access, you can designate them for unrestricted data use. You'll find this helpful toggle within the Security app under the Data Usage section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.